Want to get rich in your 20s? Forget the fluff. Forget the "I will just manifest" BS's talk. This is your real, step-by-step roadmap, so keep notes and watch till end. Prove me wrong if you can in the comments. Education or not, you need direction. If you're in college or just graduated, it's a tool, not a guarantee. College can help you build a network if you're surrounded by ambitious people. But if you're not in college, that's fine. What matters more is what you do with your time. Don't coast. Start doing things of real value, things that make you more useful. Pick a high leverage skill. Pick something with demand in the real world. Coding, sales, design, digital marketing, product management, finance, anything that scales. If you're from a specific field like biology, law, or business, research what the top 1% in your field are doing. Mirror their skills. Model their path. Not sure what to pick? Try multiple, fast double down on what clicks and pays. Get real-world experience, internships, side jobs, freelance gigs, anything that gives you exposure, pressure, and a deadline. Not in college? Even better, get a job that helps you build connections while earning. This isn't just about money. It's about building your early network, understanding how industries work, and testing your skills in the wild. Environment is everything. Your network is your fastest shortcut to growth. You need to be around people who push you, not drain you. Find mentors, join communities, follow people online who've built what you want to build. You can't be the most ambitious person in your circle. If you are, you need a better circle. Climb or create. By now, you have skills, exposure, and connections. You have two options. Climb the ladder at a high-growth company and learn the game. Or build your own thing, a product or service based on your skill. Fund it through savings or raise capital. No shame in either, but keep taking swings. Iterate relentlessly. Your first idea might flop, so will your second. That's normal. The goal isn't to succeed at step one. The goal is to learn fast and build conviction. Pivot, test, adjust. Keep evolving your skill and product until the market pulls it out of your hands. Build in public, learn in private, document your journey, share value, and build visibility in your niche. People should know what you're working on, what you stand for, and how you think. The internet lets you build leverage with zero cost. If you're invisible, you're missing out on massive opportunities. Learn money management early. Making money is only half the game. Learn to manage, invest, and protect it. Track your spending. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Automate investments into index funds or your business. Use money as a tool, not a trophy. There's no guaranteed path to wealth, but there are proven mindsets. Work fast, but think long-term. Learn from those ahead of you. Build what others need, not just what you love. And never stop iterating. Getting rich in your 20s isn't about shortcuts. It's about stacking smart decisions early. If this gave you clarity, don't scroll away. Follow for more no BS finance, strategy, and life-building advice. You've got time, but not forever. Start building now.